By the light of burning martyrs, Christ, thy bleeding feet we track, toiling up new Calvaries ever, with the cross that turns not back. New occasions teach new duties. Time makes ancient good uncouth. They must upward still and onward. Who would keep abreast of truth? Though the cause of evil prosper, yet 'tis truth alone is strong. Though